Fingerprint Art. This art lesson is inspired by the author and illustrator Marion Decars. I think you guys are going to love this style of artwork. Let's go back. Marion is known for her fingerprint illustrations, and this story, this by Marion, Bob the artist. I want you guys to look for the fingerprint art. I love the art gallery. That's Matisse. And there you have it. It's Bob the artist. There you go. Let's go back to our slideshow. This is a fun little, whoops, this is a fun little video on fingerprint art by Marion Decars. All it takes is a couple simple lines. There you go. All right, so I hope you are inspired and ready for some fun. I chose this because I feel like most of you have these supplies at your house. And if you don't, we'll make do. Let me know and I'll think of what we could do. All you need is markers if you don't have a stamp pad, or watercolor paints would work. Actually, any paint would work. I like to do, if you're using markers, I like to get my finger tip a little bit moist before I put those markers on, and it makes it come off onto the paper much better. Then you also need a pen, a Sharpie, or a pencil. That is to add your details to make that fingerprint into a character. Use this in your sketchbook or a piece of paper. And of course, you guys need a soap or a wipe to clean your fingertips when you're done. All right, here are some step-by-step guides of how to do some different characters. There, of course, is many more how-tos on fingerprint art. Just search up how-tos on fingerprint art and you will find monster characters and people. You will also find that there are many backgrounds or scenes that you can do with your characters and your fingerprints. But here's just a few to get you guys started. Once you've done some practicing with fingerprint art, then think about what you're going to do with this new skill. Here are some ideas of different ways you can put that fingerprint art into more of an art piece. We have the aquarium over here. I love the jar with the insects inside. This artist just filled their page with this title right in the middle. And of course, we have this collage of monsters. I also love this idea of drawing different frames on your page and putting your favorite fingertip monsters inside. If you guys click on this, it will take you to a Google Doc. You have to do this not from this video, but the original slide. I'll show you. And it should take you right to this frame page. This is, I believe, I'm hoping, you can print this out. That's why I made it into a document. Or you can just draw your own frames and put your critters inside. I thought that was a great idea and a great way to display your fingerprint art. Lastly, we have some extensions. You may really love and are very inspired by this type of art. And I want you to think of also maybe creating a book with your character. This simple idea over here was an ABC book with a character on each page. So if you're really into this, these extension projects will be for you. You could really go a long way with these fingerprints. When you are complete, you may and you should attach your photo of your art or a video into our Google Classroom. If you're not sure how to do that, on the original slides, you can click here. It will take you to this assignment of how to attach a photo. This is in Google Classroom under the art assignments. So click on that. It's a step-by-step to show you how to attach your photo. Okay. Also, here is a great video to learn about your unique fingerprints. Whoops, right here. And we're going to go ahead and skip that ad. And all right, so that part we don't care about. So let's go back to our frame. All right, there you go. There's a little information on fingerprints and why yours is unique. And I can't wait to see your guys' photos or videos of your art. Have fun with this. Make sure to reach out to me if you have any questions. And I can't wait to see those photos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.